Travel like a pro. Here's 10 travel tips you need to know. Wow, that rhymed LOL. Number 1. Pack light, pack right. Choose versatile clothing items that mix and match easily to reduce luggage size and weight, leaving room for any souvenirs. Number 2. Travel insurance. Always invest in travel insurance for peace of mind in case of emergencies. Number 3. Offline maps. Download offline maps for your destination to navigate without using data or Wi-Fi. Number 4. Local cuisine. Embrace local food to immerse yourself in the culture and savor authentic flavors. Number 5. Hidden pockets. Invest in clothing with hidden pockets to safeguard valuables from pickpockets. Number 6. Emergency cash. Keep a small amount of cash hidden in a secret pocket or a money belt for unexpected situations. Number 7. Roll, don't fold. Roll your clothes instead of folding them to maximize suitcase space and minimize wrinkles. Number 8. Portable charger. Carry a portable charger to keep your devices powered, especially during long journeys. Number 9. Photocopies and digital copies. Have digital and physical copies of your important documents like passports and itineraries. Number 10. Familiarize yourself with the local emergency numbers. It's a vital safety measure that can make a huge difference during unforeseen events. Research and remember it for your destination. Remember, for more tips and facts, subscribe to the Avery Review and leave a comment down below on what video you would like to see.